Dr. Satya Prakash, Mr. Sailesh Hiranandani and Shri Manju Todi along with Guruji. Can we please hear a loud round of applause for our respected organizations? To start with the smiling man, Dr. Satya Prakash, thank you so much for that beautiful smile and that lovely applause you gave. Please allow me to speak a few words about you. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Satya Prakash, Faculty of Medicine from McGill University, Montreal, Canada. Dr. Prakash is a professor in biomedical engineering, Faculty of Medicine at McGill University. He's a director at Biomedical Technology and Cell Therapy Research. He's also a Faculty of Medicine at McGill University, Montreal, Canada. He's the CEO of Microbiology Canada, President of Nano Pharma Canada and USA, and the President of MangoGen Pharma Canada. Speaking a few words about him, about his interests in the areas of stents, microbiome, drug delivery, cancer, liver diseases, stem cell, nanomedicine, and biomedicine. Dr. Prakash has also published 320 research articles and extracts, 68 patents, 19 book chapters, 17 proceedings, and has edited 3 books on stents, microbiome, and stem cells. Also, I'd love to mention that he's delegated a lot of talks, more than 90 talks across the globe. He's also been a recipient of several awards. Just to speak a few of them, ladies and gentlemen, more than 36 awards, including the Medal for Outstanding Contribution for Advancement of Science, CIHR New Investigator, FRSQ, Culture Borisier, National Overseas of more than $75,000 US, and DSC Award. He's also supervised 110 trainees, and towards the end, I'd love to talk about the research grants, which is more than 25 million Canadian dollars. Dr. Prakash is also the chairman and founder of Proviva Technology USA. To find out more about him, kindly take a look at the website www.provivatech.com. These are just a few words about Dr. Prakash. So can we all hear it for the very respectable Dr. Satya Prakash. Joining him in the room is a great entrepreneur, Mr. Sailesh Hiranandani, who started as a humble trader in the perishable and non-perishable agricultural agro products and has built a global conglomerate with footprints across 5 continents and 13 countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sailesh Hiranandani is the chairman and the managing director of SRAM MRAM Group. He formed this group as an agricultural company and to focus on resources. Transformed a small company into a big one within a period of 6 years with footprints across 5 continents. This group is also involved in developing cutting-edge products, solutions, and services in the following verticals. A couple of them are RFID e-passports, security solutions, and so on. He is also the entrepreneur and the managing director of Siren Media at Cambodia, which is into film production and related real estate investments at Cambodia. We also look forward to the release of his films in China, as we see potential in this market with an increasing demand for foreign films. Siren is also planning to use Chinese actors in his forthcoming project, that's Gangsta Wars, which is set in Mumbai, Bangkok, Hong Kong, and Shanghai. All across the world, an entrepreneur in different arenas. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly put your hands together for the very dynamic Mr. Sailesh Hiranandani. Joining Guruji also on the dais, is Shri Manoj Todi, who belongs to a Todi family which has its roots in Bengal for the last 100+ years. He started his real estate business in the 1980s and has been instrumental in growing his business from small residential individual buildings to large lifestyle residential complexes. And must say that he really believes in affordable housing. Shri Manoj Todi has developed the brand Sunny and is recognized as one of the best developers in the southern part of Kolkata. The group has developed around 2 million square feet residential projects in Kolkata, West Bengal. And the popularity of the group created a niche branding amongst different professionals like NRIs, corporate clients, software professionals, etc. And a few corporate clients, including the employees of a multinational company like PwC, ITC, Accenture, HSBC, Dell, and so on. He also believes a lot in social work and does a lot for humanity. His motto of life is sustainable development with local support and society upliftment, which is his motto in life. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Shri Manoj Todi. Friends from the media, we are here to talk about Alpha One Medical Fund. Please allow me to speak mere 3 sentences regards the same, post which we will leave it to the dignitaries to kindly talk and speak to the media and our dignitaries here. Alpha One Medical Fund is a new venture capital company that is intended to invest in new, innovative, and potentially game-changing medical diagnostics and therapies. The company seeks to maximize long-term capital appreciation, provide exposure to both public and private companies, make investments in equity securities of growth companies engaged in regenerative medicine emerging technologies, pursue opportunities to invest in a range of technologies, tools, devices, cell therapies, and drugs, and investment in high growth sectors and create value for all stakeholders. The objective is long-term capital appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, when they discussed about Alpha One Medical Fund, I think the whole world, the humanity, shall get the best they've ever got. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly excited to talk about Alpha One Medical Fund. And now, over to our dignitaries, please. Thank you, sirs. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. And I request you all to create some warmth in this place. Thank you very much for our respective dignitaries. Thank you very much, sir. Please allow me to speak to you regards Amwaj Bahrain. It's a pharmaceutical and healthcare industry across the world and has been looking for a new revolution which has not happened in the past 20 years. I request you all to lend your ears because this is truly for the first time you're getting to hear, ladies and gentlemen. We have now seen a new invention in the field of medicine. The healthcare industry is about to witness a new order with the launch of the Alpha One Medical Fund, a closed-ended pharma fund announced by SRAM MRAM Resources Limited, a conglomerate based out of Bahrain, and Proviva Pharma Canada, a healthcare major at the Gulf residence Amwaj, Bahrain. This will be a global pharma fund and would invest in new age technologies like gene therapy, biotechnology, microbiology, nanotechnology. Dr. Sailesh Hiranandani, the chairman of SRAM and MRAM, and the perpetrator of the closed-ended fund, was all praise for Dr. Satya Prakash, the president of Proviva Pharma Inc. He said that Indians have been at the forefront on medical innovations, and Dr. Satya Prakash is an example of how Indians have risen to the ranks in any fields of excellence. The objective of this fund would be to investing and incubating new pharmaceuticals innovations. The fund would also like to create synergies between various companies performing clinical trials and would like to set up one of the best clinical trial institutes in India and the ASEAN countries. Dr. Satya Prakash lauded the efforts of his Proviva team and said that his efforts would never have reached the zenith without the efforts of his team. He says that Proviva is committed to providing the best of medical help to all the needy people. He says he's excited with the association with SRAM and MRAM and would help synergize the fusion of financial muscle and scientific excellence and provide a new world order. As for the company sources, the fund would be coordinated by Ms. Yamini Srishti Swami Shivani Joshi under the guidance of Mr. Natesh Sharma. Please allow me to repeat this again. The fund would be coordinated by Ms. Yamini Srishti Swami Shivani Joshi under the guidance of Mr. Natesh Sharma. Directors of SRAM and MRAM, Ms. Renuka Pullat and Mr. Manoj Tori, said that the future looks bright for the medical fraternity and hope this heralds a new era in the annals of the medical fraternity. Ladies and gentlemen, the toughest thing for we as human beings is to see our loved ones diseased or probably in the hospital where you realize that, oh my God, probably there is a cure or no, you don't know. We all seek for help, and that is the helpless moment which we have no words to express. And Alpha One Medical Fund relates to those moments. It makes lives better and it serves humanity, which is the sole purpose of we human beings, is finally to serve humanity. So we are truly honored to have our dignitaries with us, and I request them to kindly speak a few words regards the same. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank you, Vijay. With your blessing, we will make it. Now, since long time, we were thinking about how we can impact and serve the society in a big way. And I think today is the moment. And it's really, I'm truly honored and excited to be a part of that. Our aim with Alpha One Fund is to energize the economy, to bring the best to the world, to bring the best technologies, and to invest in the funds in an area which make things happen. We will be making the investment from day one to the technologies which will make money and serve humanity at the same time. And then we will invest in the technologies that will be game changer for the future. For example, we were looking at how to create a cancer therapeutics, or how to create a new stent, or how to create a new therapy where poor people, can actually diagnose cancer 5 years in advance in many areas, for breast cancer, for example. we were looking at how we can bring few items from the medical world to the real world with a low cost, no cost, and hopefully with certain ways that we can get to the people, so that people can use it without paying so much money. So this fund will allow us to invest in the companies who are developing on those areas. We will be looking at the global, truly global, and wherever we can have an impact. That's our main aim. The second main aim is to bring this place to make it a hub in the sense of having many other funds. And this is just the beginning. Like funds like infrastructures, funds like specific India growth funds, funds like South Africa growth funds. So we are excited to start. This is the first step, and we hope to have a good impact in the global worlds. There are a lot of pharma funds out there. This will be not like them. This will be truly unique in a sense that we'll look at the technologies from A to Z. Basic, where people will be affected in the rural areas, and the jet, where we'll look at the technologies that is going to be truly future technology, like a gene therapy, regenerative medicine, stem cells, and all those technologies. So we'll be looking at those. We will have a couple of years with this for round one. We will go for round two. We are looking at a bigger fund once it is successful, and we have all means to get it successful. Our team is ready. The blessing is there, and that's our main thing, and we will get it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your kind words. Thank you very much, sir, Dr. Satya Prakash. On this occasion, I did request.
No.
Actually, she has said it all. I don't want to repeat it and everything. She has said it all. And I think everybody knows what's going on over here.
So that's what we wanted to listen. Thank you for your smile. Thank you. Guruji, can I humbly all first let you know, Guruji, since Dr. Satya Prakash has spoken about your blessings, I request.
Thank you. Respected friends, to bless, this is a very good mankind, Pharma Fund and project. Dr.Satya Prakash is very intelligent and very good work for the humanity and mankind. So we always bless you, we pray the God. This is the very successful Pharma Fund. SRAM MRAM Group Chairman Mr. Hiranandani is also a very beautiful smile and mankind. So please smile. I did not see your teeth.
So beautiful.
So we will
$1 billion.
billion dollar.
Smile.
So we go to for this fund to the different part of the worlds, and very good to mankind work. So we are will bless and pray for success. This thank you for everyone. Thank you, sir.
So, few questions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being here with us, where we actually welcomed you, and this is the signing ceremony of the Joint Business Development Association. We are truly honored, and we would all love to join our hands and try to do our best to serve humanity. So we are extremely honored by this. And now, can we please request them for the signing ceremony?
Dr. Ravi,
ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for joining us for the launch of Alpha One Medical Fund. At the signing ceremony, I would love to congratulate Dr. Satya Prakash,
Thank you very much.
Mr. Sailesh Hiranandani, Shri Kodiji, by the blessings of Guruji.
Very good job, Sunan.
The mission has begun and we look forward to fulfilling this mission. Good luck to everyone, and with Guruji's blessings, can we hear everyone a loud round of applause for this great collaboration which shall serve the masters across the world and truly make this world a better place to live in. I thank all honorable dignitaries, and towards the end, Guruji, just one sentence to end this beautiful session. Guruji, please, a humble request.
Bless all of you. Thank you for joining this very good mankind project. We are always with you. We pray for you. You get success in life. Thank you. God bless you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the most important thing, please allow me to talk to you about the Alpha One Medical Fund, which is for, any guesses? It's already mentioned there. It's for $350 million US dollars. Yes, you heard it right. $350 US million dollars. And I congratulate everyone here, all our dignitaries, and I congratulate everyone who's present here to be a part of this Alpha One Medical Fund. And I think we all have to join hands together and speak about this, make this world a better place to live in. Keep smiling, keep shining. Kindly join us in a short while from now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, our dignitaries. We would love to thank